Welcome to the show. I'm Kathy Ireland. Probiotics have been part of the human diet for thousands of years, but good bacteria can be hard to come by today. Fortunately, effective probiotics can be added to food and supplements to support gut health. Tom Ronnlund, CEO of Probi, joins us today to talk about how his company delivers the best probiotic ingredients for a wide range of products. Welcome, Tom.
Thank you so much, Kathy.
Now, Tom, can you tell us a bit about the history of Probi and its roots in scientific research?
Yes, indeed. Our company actually started with a vision of saving lives. It's quite exciting. There was a group of gastroenterologic surgeons at Lund University in south of Sweden who realized in successful surgeries some patients fared better than others. And when looking closer into that, in terms of those patients who didn't do too well, they realized that they were lacking certain types of bacteria in their intestinal flora. So one thing led to another. They started a research program in identifying which bacteria could be reintroduced to these patients for them actually getting through their surgeries in a better way. And that was the foundation and the basis of our company.
Tom, can you describe your products for us? How do they make it easy for people to get the probiotics that they need?
Yeah, so probiotics is essentially live microorganisms, bacteria, bugs, that is manufactured by us. We have factories where we grow bacteria and then create a product of that can be used in dietary supplements or in foods. And for example, I can show you here, this is a health supplement or a dietary supplement, which is sold by a company called Nature's Bounty Company here in the US. It's available in drugstores all across the country as well as on Amazon. And this is used for gastrointestinal health, for daily use, basically.
Is this for anyone?
This is for anyone, I would say, from children all the way through the aging stages as well, as such. And that's one way. This is delivered in a capsule to the consumer. This is another example. This is a fruit drink, which you can find in Whole Foods and other select stores as well, from another company called Good Belly. And this is another way of ingesting the probiotic through a drink a day, really.
Okay.
Yeah.
The Probi offering consists of very robust strains backed by solid clinical evidence, perceived efficacy. The consumers actually feel the difference when using the product, which is a very strong sales driver. And Probi is also a one-stop shop, all the way from production, development to marketing of products.
So we came up with a solution of good bacteria that we wanted to give to sick patients. And we did that and showed that actually you can turn aseptic conditions around by giving good bacteria instead of trying to kill a bad bacteria. And that was the foundation of Probi.
Probi's research and development focus usually includes different areas, and that can be gastrointestinal health, immune health, nutrient absorption and iron absorption. It can be areas like bone health, gut-brain axis, but also autoimmunity such as celiac disease. Then we also put resources, time and efforts into developing new solutions for the delivery of probiotics, and that can be either in a functional food format or a dietary supplement format.
Working at Probi is fantastic. It's about the product and the people. We provide products that help people live healthier lives, and we do so in a very dedicated and passionate team that work on a global basis.
Nobody else in the industry has a deep level of knowledge on their probiotics and are able to repeat the studies that they have, specifically in digestive and immune health, the way Probi has over the last 15 years.
Tom, can you please describe for us all the work that goes into bringing a Probi product to life? What's your process?
Probi, we stay true to our heritage. As a researching company, we've been founded by scientists, and that is something that we have kept front and center throughout the development of our company. And so therefore, the introduction and realization of new products in this field always start with research and development for us, in making sure that we, through laboratory stages, through clinical trials in humans, are able to prove that our probiotics makes a difference and delivers a health benefit for the consumer. After that, we take it on to rigorous testing in ensuring that it's possible to manufacture it, to grow the bacteria, and also to deliver it into tablets, capsules, or food applications that then consumers can have further down the line.
Tom, Probi does a lot of research. What new uses of probiotics have you discovered?
Actually, in the last year or year and a half or so, we have presented new and exciting data in the field of women's health. And for one area, for example, has been in a study we performed in healthy pregnant women, where we provided them with a probiotic, our probiotics, as well as a balanced mix of iron supplementation, vitamin C, and folic acid. What we were able to prove in that study was that the combination of these ingredients actually had a beneficial effect in terms of iron absorption for these pregnant women. And that's important because during pregnancy you have lower iron levels, and it is important to maintain a good iron level for the benefit of both the mother and the child. So that's very exciting. One other area is within maintaining strong bones for postmenopausal women. So in connection with menopause, women lose bone density over the years, moving into the aging process really. And we have been able to prove in a clinical study of more than 250 women that the addition of a mix of 3 different probiotic strains from Probi actually has the ability to decrease the level of bone loss in these women, which is an additional option for maintaining strong and healthy bones through the aging for the female.
So Lovebug, we provide a range of probiotics for the whole family, from prenatal, for babies, kids, and then adults. And one of the things that drew us to Probi as a manufacturer was their differentiated delivery technology. You can take a probiotic every single day, but if the bacteria isn't getting to your gut, to your microbiome alive, you're not going to feel the benefit. And this product, probiotics can change people's lives, and we only wanted the best in our probiotics, and that's why we went to Probi. They're leading in science, they're leading in delivery technology, and they're such great partners to work with.
I would definitely recommend Probi to others, since I felt the difference myself after having used it for a couple of weeks. So I would definitely recommend it.
We choose Probi as a probiotic partner for 3 reasons. 1, they are collaborating with universities for strong clinical data, and they are so devoted for clinical data and research and development. As well, they are a very good manufacturer, especially they are certified.
It's such a thrill to visit the line and see your product coming off the belt, and from conception all the way 4 years later, seeing just every single detail as it goes through. I mean, from the pressed tablets, and then it's weighed and it goes through a metal detector, and in so many steps, it's unbelievable to see it all pulled together in such a professional and meticulous way, and it's a huge thrill to see it coming off the line. Really, you're just getting the best facilities, the most meticulous care, and ultimately it gives us so much confidence putting our name, our brand, behind it. It's a great partner to have.
Right. Well, finally, Tom, what's next for Probi?
As I said before, we pride ourselves with the motto of being first in probiotics. We want to be first in terms of innovation. We want to be first in terms of capturing consumer demands and opportunities for our customers to be successful in their efforts of providing probiotics to consumers. But first and foremost, I would say, we take pride in leading the way in terms of identifying new and innovative areas for use of probiotics to actually help improve people's lives.
Tom, thank you for sharing with us how Probi is going above and beyond to provide high-quality probiotics for good health. Congratulations.
Thank you so much for having me here today.
Thank you. And thank you for watching. I'm Kathy Ireland.